Amazon had some major updates for shipping and handling times on the platform. Well, specifically not for US sellers for once, actually. This is going to be an update that may actually harm international sellers on the US platform. So, what is it exactly? Well, Amazon has changed transit times and handling times, but not for US sellers. It's actually for anyone selling outside the US and shipping in for any of their products. So, for instance, transit times. Starting October 25th, 2024, the transit time settings for shipping from China, so anybody who is shipping a product and selling a product from China, all of those Chinese sellers out there, to the continental US will change. You'll have more transit time ranges to choose from on your shipping templates, with options ranging from 2 to 4 days to 14 to 20 days. Now, beforehand, you used to be able to have a maximum of 28 days, as seen down here, but they're changing that to 20 days. The interesting part that I find here is that they are also changing it to where you can have anywhere from 2 to 4 days. They're probably going to add 4 to 8 days, so on and so forth, all the way up to 14 to 20. So you can have a transit time anywhere from 2 to 20 days essentially now, instead of just a 14 to 28 day if you're shipping from China. So that's going to be a more interesting thing for Chinese sellers. But secondarily to this, they also have updates to the handling time. So we can see here handling time for the automated handling time. For those that don't know, Amazon rolled out this feature on handling time, automated handling time, where essentially you have your default, what you set it to, and then Amazon, essentially, if you have 2 or more days slower than your actual handling time, Amazon will change your handling time to match what they believe it should be based on your order history and how fast you actually handle things, get them shipped, etc. So, how does all of this really affect the typical seller? Well, it probably doesn't unless you're shipping internationally. So, this is actually a really interesting change from Amazon where they have been doing a lot of things in recent years that are particularly helping, I guess, Chinese sellers and international sellers come onto the platform, especially where you can actually ship products directly from China to the end consumer and sell them from there as well, right? But this makes it a little bit more difficult. Essentially, I think Amazon's starting to tighten the reins, realizing that a lot of the Chinese sellers and international sellers in general are kind of bending the rules in the system and making the platform not look as good as it used to. So, what are they doing? Well, they're going to make it so they have to abide by essentially some of the same rules that you would if you're in the US. So, if you are currently selling a product abroad in some way, even if you're from Canada, Mexico, etc., you're shipping into the US, Amazon now wants you to essentially have all of that within a shorter time window than you used to. It used to be 4 weeks, essentially. Now it's down to 3 weeks. And on top of that, they're also going to make it so that you can't just have a handling time of, 5 to 10 days and say, oh, well, that's my handling time. Instead, they really want you to stick to what your actual handling time is. So if you're not going to have a really long handling time and you actually only have a 2 day handling time, it's not going to have any leeway for you. So overall, interesting change from Amazon on this. I would love to have them do more like this, more updates where, they're leveling out the playing field essentially as to what they're actually doing on the platform. This is the type of change I love to see just because it makes it a little bit easier for everyone, right? You're not going to be having as, difficult of times competing if someone has to have a little bit higher of a price because, they can't just ship something for $1.50 and have it take 4 weeks to actually get there. So excited to see if this actually kind of, gets rid of some of the Chinese sellers who are selling for $5 here and there.